Hey, this is Robert here again at Guzzi Fabrication. We've been working on our little Cholo Softail project. We're getting it ready to take to the Dallas Lowrider Super Show. Today's video, we're going to be installing SharkRoad 36-inch Fishtail dual exhaust on this bike. SharkRoad 36-inch dual exhaust kit. Here's what you get. One of the things I really like about the SharkRoad kit is very complete and simple. Now, other manufacturers' kits that I've installed, you had to supply your own flanges and clips, buy a relocation bracket for your coil, and purchase a bent shift lever. With this kit, it eliminates all that. High quality, very reasonable price, ease of installation. That's why we chose SharkRoad to finish out our Cholo project. I always wait on the oxygen sensor to remove it, get the exhaust down and out, giving you more access. Otherwise, you can put a nice dent in the front fender. So the kit comes with new gaskets. We want to make sure that we get the old gaskets out. And we don't want to forget to install our new ones. Now would be a great time to put a little bit of high temp anti-seize on the exhaust studs. You want to make sure it's high temperature anti-seize. There are no instructions in the box, but if you go to sharkroad.com, whatever kit you're purchasing, you can get the instructions here. Very detailed. You've got the visual diagram, parts list, and then written instructions. The long tube is your front exhaust. The short piece is your rear exhaust. We're going to start by assembling our flange. Now these are directional. The clip fits in here just like this in the little recess. The other side is flat. We want to make sure we orient them in the correct position. Otherwise, we're going to be doing it twice. So flange goes over and the clip slides on into place. And that's how it works. Now the O2 ports are plugged from the factory. We're going to remove this plug. We're going to go ahead and install our O2 sensors. Now it comes with adapters, but we're not going to be using those for this application. Going to use a little bit of high temp anti-seize. And for the 2007, they're 22 millimeter. We're going to start with the front exhaust first. This kit comes with new stainless steel flange nuts. snug, not tight. Now we're going to sneak in our rear exhaust section. That was a whole lot easier than I thought it'd be. Our front exhaust is attached. The flange nuts are loose, as well as the back. Now let me show you how this snakes through there. And that's what it should look like. Okay, up next, driver's side exhaust install. There are 3 exhaust clamps with the kit. One is marked 44, 47. We're going to be using the smaller one. And this little piggy's got to go something like this. And we don't want to fully tighten until everything is in place. I'm going to go ahead and attach my exhaust bracket. Now this has welded on spacers. They go towards the frame. So we want to take our 48-51 clamp, make sure that we slide that on first. Now we're going to be installing our fishtail. And you want to line these up. And we still want to leave everything where it's going to slide. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and tighten up our exhaust clamp. Now we need to level out the end of the fishtail and tighten down the bracket. And once the ends are leveled out, they made an adjustment. There's a bolt there and one at the bottom. Loosen those off, and then you can do this. Very cool. Hey, check out all the new tools and equipment we've added to the store. GUZZIfabrication.store. I'm going to go ahead and tighten the flanges up. Before the heat shield installation, well, we're going to take care of all those smudges and handprints with some glass cleaner. And this is our heat shield. Here's how the heat shield attaches. Outside, inside. You want to open up the clamps. You want the adjuster on the bottom. This is the bottom of the heat shield. You want it to rest just like this. So we're going to open it up. We don't want to kink the clamp or else it's going to be a bad time. So we just fish that through there like that. We leave it open. And we'll go ahead and install the rest of them. So we're going to have to slide this over the pipe. So now is a really good time to gently open these up. Open the clamp up gently. You don't want to kink it. Get one over. Get them in place. Then you want to get the worm gear back into its track. Then you rotate it to its final position and tighten it up. And the last step that you don't want to skip, those smudges and handprints. Take some glass cleaner, get all of that cleaned off, because if the exhaust heats up, that can actually etch into the chrome. And this exhaust, it is baffled. Hey, use the discount code GUZZI10, get you a discount on your purchase. Link is in the description. And no check engine light. That is a beautiful exhaust. So hey, if you're in the market for a high quality, affordable exhaust system, you better check out SharkRoad.com.